Hey guys, hope you are doing well and you are still alive. So the market is looking not good. So everything's in red. Luna collapsed and also UST, the decentralized stablecoin on Luna collapsed, and major altcoins dumping 20, 30, even 40%. So guys, this is a historical moment. I don't know what to add, but let's dive into and let's check what's out there. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and don't invest more than you would afford to lose. So guys, this is an insane day. I don't know if this is a capitulation or just we are halfway to this capitulation, but Bitcoin is down 7%, Ethereum down 11%, and Bitcoin broke 30,000 down. And yeah, so Luna collapsed, and we see other altcoins like Rune, Matic, GMT 30% down, near 35%, Phantom 46%. So insane losses. I don't see a single coin in green, so this is a bloodbath that's going on here. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 12. So yesterday it was 10, and I think it will be refreshed soon. Then it will be dropping below 10. And as you know guys, when investors are too worried, that can provide a good buying opportunity, but don't rush in. Wait, because buy with DCA if you are buying these levels, because we can drop further. But for this is a historical moment to buying up some cheap coins out there. And you see we are in the fear zone since November, and this is not a usual that we see if we are looking back. So let's go and check our first news, that Michael Saylor assuages investors after market slumps, hurts MicroStrategy and Bitcoin. Also they have Bitcoin backed loan, and then it's collateralized with 410 million in collateral, and as the price of Bitcoin is dropping, then they should add more collateral to these loans. And I'm just curious if Michael Saylor is buying these levels, or what is he doing. And yeah, so they took out this loan, but Bitcoin would have to fall below 3,500 for the firm to run out of BTC to further back the loan. So if Bitcoin would drop to those levels, then they would lose all their Bitcoins that they are adding to the collateral. So I don't think that it will happen, but never know. Okay, let's go to our next news. Terra rescue plan still at large as Luna falls below $5. Bitcoin spikes to 138,000 $1,000 in UST. So Terra stable coins. So getting close, stay strong, lunatics. But after also he tweeted that they cannot save Luna, but he thinks that the UST bank will recover somehow. But I don't think that will be anytime soon if it will happen. And this is the Bitcoin UST chart. So you see it reached 140,000 $1,000 in UST. So we are seeing a range of metrics on looking to Bitcoin, which show that BTC is approaching major value levels where historically strong hands accumulate Bitcoin at value prices. There is also plenty of evidence the long-term hodlers are not faced by this near-term volatility. So this is from Philip Swift from Look Into Bitcoin. So they are analyzing Bitcoin. Cool. Let's go and check our next news. After Terra USD UST, the pegging macro guru Roll Paul says stablecoin regulation could be coming. Yes, so there is only 3 billion to liquidate. Does this change the Anchor protocol? I don't know what the knock-on effects are. Maybe there is more knock-on effects in Avalanche. I don't know. It's a very complicated ecosystem. Terra, so I don't know it inside out. Much like try and pick apart the Ethereum ecosystem, it's immensely complicated. Nobody really knows where the fault lines lie, who got the leverage and who hasn't. Markets like this is what they do. They find the weakest hands and drive it into the strongest hands, and that just always the way of the world. So this is how this attack happened. I will give some insight what's happened. I think it's going to err towards, and I have always thought this, nobody, not the government, wants unregulated stablecoins. They want central bank digital currencies, whether they are private sectors or state sector. I think there will be a blend. Nobody wants this, so they will use this as an excuse, and it's probably good for people like Paxos, it's probably good for people like Circle, and it's not so good for people like Tether and Terra. The problem is, if we are borrowing somebody else's currency, then we have to play their game whether we like it or not. It's their currency. So anybody who thinks just because we have got some algorithm is not the Federal Reserve currency in craze. So definitely true. Let's go and check our next news. Guys, I cannot show my camera because something happened I cannot turn on. So top trader predicts imminent bounce across crypto markets, says macro data could offer relief for bulls, but this was 2 days ago. So let's quote from Credible Crypto, or no, this is Cantor & Clark. So it is possible for BTC to go sub 20,000 and beyond just some week. Yes, absolutely. Do I think it's likely? Absolutely not, lol. Not going to jump on the 24,000 US dollar bandwagon. I think buys in the low 30,000 will be rewarding before anything like that. We were in a range for 4 months. Here comes a trend to the lower portion of the larger range. Good to keep things simple, looking for a trap, but don't see one yet. Okay, so but a huge spike is going down, and this is the market cap USDC dominance. So this is the Bitcoin price, and the USDT dominance means that USDT is 5% dominating the market. So lots of stable coins out there, and he think that we will bounce soon. Slowly buying more spot in this region, not just a short-term trade, and not afraid to buy lower. I think these buys will be rewarded outside of just a weekly time frame. The chart you are looking at stables dominance at an all-time high, give spike down. So next piece of news is Millionaire Mike Novogratz warns Bitcoin and crypto carnage far from over. So guys, ever bullish Mike Novogratz getting bearish, so this is also how the sentiment is shifting amongst crypto OGs. Crypto probably trades correlated to the Nasdaq until we hit a new equilibrium. My instinct is there some more damage to be done, and that will trade in a very choppy, volatile and difficult market for at least the next few quarters before people getting some sense that we are at an equilibrium. At that point, I am actually quite optimistic. So Galaxy Digital announced a net comprehensive loss of 111 million in Q1. Galaxy demonstrated yet another strong quarter against the backdrop of digital asset price declines, and I'm proud to see the durability and sustained profitability of our operational business lines, including record contributions from our investment banking and mining segment. Okay, next piece of news is yes, we already talked about that. So guys, let's go and check my Twitter feed. I share several things there. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS follow Corion platform, and also follow laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad. Cool. Give a like and also share all these. So the most secure way to store your crypto and NFTs is a Ledger hardware wallet. So there is this chapter in Coinbase terms and conditions that if the exchange fails, they are owned by the creditors of the exchange, and also customers' funds will be taken. Zoom out and overcome fear. The hardest thing for humans to be not influenced by fear and greed. So these are the bottoms that nobody wanted to buy because the fear was so huge. And just look at here. So these are those huge bottoms. Give a like and share. And in the meantime, some whales bought 77,000 bitcoins in the past 24 hours. Brazil taking crypto seriously. They are the largest bank in Brazil and set to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. Great threat from on-chain wizard. They make approximately $1 billion by attacking Luna. So some huge hedge funds attack Luna, shorted Luna, and also just read this through. Also, this is the same. They are saying that BlackRock and Citadel did this. Cool. Some hopium that the RSI is so low that it should bounce anytime soon. So we are at the lower levels of this RSI according to plan B. Give a like and share. Cool. So Terra Luna founder says that UST peg will be back to $1, but they can't save Luna. And yeah, so what has happened to Terra Money Luna can be pure manipulation. So definitely check this thread. Oh, this thread was deleted. Okay, so that was deleted, but it was almost the same that what you see here, or not here but here. Cool. Let's go and check some charts. Let's see what's happening. Bitcoin dropping. It's traded around $28,000, so another huge drop. And if we are zooming out, we reached those levels that Bitcoin dipped last year, May, and also went lower. The wick went lower, and also it went lower than the wick in January 2021. So now we have a lower low, but it's depending on where Bitcoin will close today. So if this 28,000 will be lost, then the next drop to this $23,000 region and $20,000 region is still possible, but I think then many people and whales will buying up those levels. Okay, so that's if you are on the sidelines, or if you are just entering the crypto, I think this is the best time to start buying. If you are over leveraged or overextended, then what I would do, just hodl and keep it up, because the good projects also will get a nice exposure when the market will turn, and it will turn someday. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel, and see you tomorrow. Hope we will see some green charts. Bye.